Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today's video, Vanity Makeover. I started with my base color, it's pink. It was oops paint, so I don't really have the name for it. And just give it 2 coats. It's water base. When I did my second coat, the color starts showing. It's a bright candy pink. I wanted to add a mold to the vanity in the middle, so I'm using Amazing Resin. It's actually 2 solution. You mix them at 1-to-1 quantity. You mix them in a mixing bowl and just pour them in the molds. They will dry really fast, like it will dry within 10 minutes. You will see it will turn white when it's dry. So when I already mixed it, I used the extra to do other molds for other projects. And you'll see them. I was a little bit careful removing it. I didn't want to break it. And you can, if you have an extra, like you can just remove it with a cutter. I wanted to add it exactly in the middle, so it already has a hole there. I just used my heat gun to soften it a little bit so it can fit perfectly. I used E6000 glue. You can just tape it if you feel your mold was moving. For the top, I'm gonna do stripes, so I measured it with my tape and then painted it with my base color. Then I added the gold. I did use the Rose Celebration by Redesign with Prima on the top, but I didn't record it that. And for the edges, I just added the same gold, metallic gold, and cleaned it. For the drawers, I sprayed my stencil with adhesive. It's Super 77 adhesive, so to prevent any leaking, and I added the metallic gold. I usually spray my pieces when I'm done with the top coat. I use polyurethane water base. It will give you very smooth top coat and very soft. I love it. I did 3 coats. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.